In this video, I would like to explain you the topic lean manufacturing, and my presentation is divided into 7 parts, including introduction, types of waste, lean manufacturing principles, tools and techniques, implementation, benefits of lean, conclusion, and my references. So I would like to start with the introduction. Lean manufacturing is a philosophy pioneered by Toyota Motors, and it is a systematic approach for achieving the shortest possible cycle time by eliminating the process of waste through continuous improvement. And so, what is waste? So, waste is defined as any activity that does not add value from the customer's perspective. And according to research conducted by the Lean Enterprise Research Center, fully 60% of production activities in a typical manufacturing operation are waste. So, they add no value at all for the customers. And types of waste could be overproduction, inventory, transportation, defects, motion, extra processing, and also waiting. So I will go ahead with lean manufacturing principles. So there are 5-step thought process for guiding the implementation of lean techniques. So first of all, you should specify value from the standpoint of the end customer by product family. After that, you should identify all the steps in the value stream for each product family and eliminating whenever possible those steps that do not create value. As a third point, make the value creating steps occur in tight sequence so the product will flow smoothly toward the customer. And after that, as flow is introduced, let customers pull value from the next upstream activity. And at last, as value is specified, value streams are identified, wasted steps are removed, and flow and pull are introduced. Begin the process again and continue it until a state of perfection is reached in which perfect value is created with no waste. So these are the tools and techniques. So the techniques of lean manufacturing enable you to deliver higher quality products at significantly lower cost. And these includes quality control tools, the 5S system, just-in-time, Kanban, and Kaizen. And to implement this technique, smooth production can be built and communicate plan to suppliers. Always maintain daily production levels as planned. Minimize parameter changes in system and convert from push scheduling to pull scheduling, and at least maintain open communications with supplier. And of course, the implementation of lean manufacturing has its benefits. For example, you can reduce the production cost, improve the productivity, reduce in production lead time, German quality improvement. You can reduce the production cycle time, and of course, there's an annual saving. So as a conclusion, lean production system reduces all forms of non-value added activity, and to make quality and economical production, these kind of systems should be implemented in every industry.